Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are keeping fine. On previous class, we have to study different types of fibers. What are the different types of fibers? Yes, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. What do you mean by a natural fiber? Yes, the natural fibers are obtained from natural sources. The natural fibers which are obtained from plants or animals. For example, wool. Wool which is obtained from sheep. Another example is silk. Silk which is obtained from silkworm. Okay. Then what do you mean by a synthetic fiber? Yes. Synthetic fibers are made by human beings. Synthetic fibers are made by human beings. Today, we are going to study different types of synthetic fibers. The first one is nylon. You all know that silk is obtained from silkworm. Silk is obtained from silkworm, which was discovered in China. The first it was discovered in China and it was kept so closely or so secretly for a long time. The fabric obtained from the silk fiber was very costly. The fabric obtained from the silk fiber was very costly, but it is beautiful and attractive. So, at the end of the 19th century, scientists were successfully obtaining a fiber which having the similar properties to that of silk. Okay, at the end of the 19th century, scientists prepared a fiber which is showing a similar properties to that of silk. This fiber is known as rayon or artificial silk. Okay, this fiber is known as rayon or artificial silk. The fiber was obtained by the chemical treatment of wood pulp is called as rayon or synthetic fiber. Okay, the fiber which was obtained by the synthetic treatments or chemical treatment of wood pulp. The fiber which was made by the chemical treatment of the wood pulp is known as rayon or artificial silk. Okay, rayon or artificial silk. But it is made by human beings. Okay, rayon is made from or it is obtained from the chemical treatment of wood pulp, yet it is made by human beings. Okay, and this rayon or artificial silk is less costly than the silk. This is less costly than the silk. And then all of you look on the note that given below. The first one is what are the different types of synthetic fibers? The different types of synthetic fibers are rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. Okay, the different types of synthetic fibers are rayon, nylon, acrylic and polyester. The rayon or artificial silk is the fiber which is obtained from the chemical treatment of wood pulp. Okay, rayon, the fiber which was obtained by the chemical treatment of wood pulp. This wood pulp is a natural source. Okay, this wood pulp is a natural substance, but it is made by human beings. Okay. The rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheet. Rayon mixed with cotton to make bed sheet. And the rayon mixed with wool to make carpet. Rayon mixed with cotton to make bed sheet, and rayon mixed with wool to make carpets. All of you look on the next question. Some people argue that rayon is a natural fiber. Some people argue that rayon is a natural fiber. We have studied that rayon is a synthetic fiber, but some people argue that the rayon is not a synthetic fiber, it is a natural fiber. Why? The reason is the rayon is obtained from the chemical treatment of wood pulp. Okay, the reason is the rayon is obtained from the chemical treatment of wood pulp. This wood pulp is the natural substance. Hence, some people argues that the rayon is a natural fiber. Okay. Next, we study the next synthetic fiber is nylon. The nylon is the first fully synthetic fiber. Okay. The nylon is the first fully synthetic fiber. Nylon is a man-made fiber, and in 1931 it was made without any natural sources or without any natural raw materials. Natural means without the usage of any plant or animal product. It is fully synthetic fiber. Okay. Nylon was prepared from coal, water and air. Nylon was prepared from coal, water and air. So, the nylon was the first fully synthetic fiber. It was not used for natural sources or natural raw materials. It was made by using water, coal and air. Okay. Then, now we look on the characteristics of nylon. Nylon has some characteristic properties. Next, we look on some characteristics of nylon. Nylon fiber was strong. Nylon fiber was strong, elastic, light and hard. Once more, nylon fiber was strong, elastic, light and hard. Okay, and it was lustrous. Lustrous means shiny appearance, shining. It was lustrous and easy to wash. This is the reason why the nylon which becomes popular for making clothes. Okay. So, what are the reason for the nylon became very popular for making clothes? Nylon fiber was strong, elastic and light, and it is lustrous and easy to wash. These are the reasons the nylon was very popular for making clothes. Okay. And these fibers are used to making socks, rope, tent, toothbrushes, car seat belt, sleeping bags, curtains, etc. Okay. Thus, the nylon fibers are also used to make parachutes. These nylon fibers are also used to make parachutes. Why? All of you look on the notes that given below. Nylon fibers are used for making parachutes. Why? Nylon fibers used to make parachute because it was so strong. It was so strong, hard, elastic and light. So, nylon fibers are used to make parachute because it was so strong, hard, elastic and light. Okay. Then the next question is, which was the first fully synthetic fiber? Which was the first fully synthetic fiber? Nylon was the first fully synthetic fiber. Okay. Nylon was the first fully synthetic fiber. It was prepared from coal, water and air. It was prepared from coal, water and air. Which was the first fully synthetic fiber? Nylon was the first fully synthetic fiber. It was prepared from coal, air and water. Okay. Today I wind up my class. All of you study well and all of you do your assignments correctly. Okay, stay safe. Bye.